If you don't like complicated processes but still want to earn rewards, then keep watching to learn how to stake Cardano in no time. First up, let's talk about the Cardano Staking Explorer, your go-to tool for visualizing Cardano's block content and NFTs. Now where to stake? You've got options. Daedalus is a powerhouse desktop wallet, perfect if you want top-tier functionality. Ledger is all about security, keeping your Cardano safe and sound. Exodus Wallet isn't just for Cardano, it's great for holding multiple cryptos. Want a simple exchange-based option? Check out Binance or Binance.us. And don't forget Yoroi, it's lightweight and user-friendly. Let's focus on Exodus Wallet for a sec. Here's how you claim your Cardano staking rewards. Click the profile icon, then staking, then Cardano. Next, hit claim rewards and confirm by clicking claim again. Boom! Your rewards are now in your wallet. Want to explore more? You can also stake using Ledger Live. So there you have it. Staking Cardano made simple.